Going to show you a little bit about the Boyz restaurant, pizza place, and then I'm going to show you the big curve. But I want to tell you a little bit about the Boyz. They have the best pizza in town. We went there twice, and you know we checked out a lot of eateries. We couldn't. I'm a big eater. I could not finish this, and neither could anybody else. This big meal here. We didn't even touch that pizza. We took it home and ate it the next day. It was like $29, and then you had to pay for drinks and stuff. Awesome food. I mean, go there. If you're in Yuma, go there. Go to the one downtown or even the one up in the foothills, but do go there. Just a little snack before we go.
Well, what happened was y'all drained it, and we came home.
Oh my God, that's a lot of food.
And fill that pipe up full of water.
Oh my. Yum. Well, we stopped here. Albertsons. This is what they call the big curve in Yuma. It's a big curve because it makes a big curve. Makes sense, doesn't it? But this place here, it's called the Beverage House. We've been in it before. We brought the Bloods over here to look. It has got about everything you can think of in the way of booze. But we're still stuffed from the last place, but we might get some booze in here. We'll check it out.
What did you pay for this the other day in Mexico?
$30, what is here?
22.
Yeah, we overpaid. Ours is a bigger bottle.
Was it a bigger bottle?
Yeah.
Was it this? Are you sure?
Yeah, I think it was
that
bigger.
size.
It was this size. I think it was about that size.
Yeah. How much is a screwball here?
I don't see it.
See what? Screwball?
No, we got screwball, and I got my.
Gotta have your screwball.
How much is the screwball here?
This is good stuff.
Oh, is this your whiskey that you or your?
27.
Yeah, about same as home. About everything you can, all kinds of beers here. If I ever get my best friend Gunner down here, we're gonna show him some beers. And that man, he knows beer. If you haven't seen his channel, go look at it. My God. If you ever want to know anything about beer, ask Gunner. If you ever want to know anything about Scotch, ask Charlie.
Buy one, get one free. That's a good deal right there.
Oh, is that Maker's Mark?
Yep, $30 bottle.
Wow.
That's whiskey?
Yeah.
Get you one, Vickie.
No, I want some.
Wait a minute. You didn't understand. You get the free one. He'll get the other one.
That works out pretty
Well,
good.
that sounds like a good deal.
Yeah.
There's some tequila, pink, something.
Good for him, huh?
Hey.
What do we got there? Oh, no kidding. Vickie,
What
got to
is
buy
it?
me a bottle of that.
What is it?
Up. Climax Moonshine.
Ooh.
I wanted to, we'll just sip on it. Yeah, I'll get that. Put her up there.
I just happened to look down there. It's the only bottle there.
No,
Yeah.
there's more.
Oh, there's some
Right
up
there.
Is there different
More down
flavors?
there.
There ain't no flavor. It's all just a straight moonshine. They don't have no flavors.
Yeah, I'll grab a
Mixed out
bottle of
with
that.
Something else like the Bailey.
I've been wanting to try some of that Climax. We'll get a bottle of that and take her home and for later.
Ooh, look at this screwball.
We got the alcoholics. What do we got?
Peanut butter whiskey.
Eggnog.
Eggnog peanut butter whiskey.
Oh, hell.
What? I like eggnog.
Not me.
I do. I don't care what you like.
I don't care what I like.
No, I
Wow.
ain't worried about when it comes to liquor what you like, because I like it.
And there's a gunpowder Irish gin.
Yeah, but I like the peach stuff.
Really?
I told you, they got everything in here.
Oh yeah. Well, they had this. We've been looking for it.
Yeah, I've been looking for that for a long
I couldn't
time.
get it down south.
I wonder how this would taste.
Well, guys, I just wanted to show you what this store is about. There's about 4 minutes of this one. We may add it somewhere else, or I may just throw it on there to give you a giggle. See what your prices are at your house. There's some vodka right there for $8, and that's a big bottle. Yeah, I better go pay for my stuff, but and they got the beer cold too. All kinds of it. Yep. Okay, guys. Anyway, hope you're enjoying all these videos. I'm gonna go pay for my booze, and then we're gonna go home and just. Oh, that was a big pizza we just had. Oh my, that was good food. That was. Look at this Fireball. Whoa! You guys like Fireball? Look at this. They sell it by the drum.
Damn it.
Man, okay, that's all, guys. So, Vickie, what do you think of moonshine?
It made me gag.
Mercy, thanks for that.
What do you think?
It's real good. Everybody should have a bottle.
No.
And you?
I'm trying to mix the shit with something to make it taste
You ain't got enough mix in there.
Thanks first.
Oh man, that's strong. I'm gonna save that for you boys out there in Sturgis. I'll tell you. Whew, that's strong stuff.
You don't need to, but maybe a little dab on the tongue. That's it.
And Hank ripped the head off his chicken.